On this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 212. So with this, you first need to head over to trading212.com, and from in there you can either log in or open an account if you don't have one yet. So on this case, head over and click on this open an account on into this in order to create it. Choose your country of residence and click on next. Choose right here the account that you want, like invest, CFD, stocks, or cash ISA. So just choose which one you want. I'll choose invest and then enter right here your login details that you want to use. With this, you can see your actual dashboard. We can find right here the watch list as well as top winners. We also find right here home page as well as other options like our investing with ready-made pie or top-ups like cards as well as people or socials. So on this case, you can proceed to see right here the market itself, and you can see the stock and you can find it if it's actually worth it to invest or not. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.